What's happening, everyone? I'm Peter, founder of Expedition Money, and I want to talk to you today about a problem that companies have, employers have, agencies have, that I've run into a number of times, and that is our people do not have email addresses. And I want to demystify this because the answer is that your employees do have email addresses. The reveal and the obvious answer is that companies don't issue a company email address to everyone. So you might be a retail store with many retail outlets and cashiers on the front line. They don't necessarily need an email address. You don't necessarily need to push them messages. They check out their schedule or work with their manager to figure out what their schedule is going to be. That's going to be posted in a room. Maybe it's going to be posted on a website somewhere. And so they can get that. But many times I hear companies always saying, hey, we have this trouble reaching out to people because they don't have email addresses. The reality is they do have email addresses. If they have a cell phone, they technically have an email address because every cell phone number has an attached email address to it, whether you're on Verizon or AT&T. So if you have a cell phone, you've got an email address. But with very few exceptions, everyone has an email address. The reality is you might not have that email address. And so one of the other benefits of having a financial wellness program is that they can register for the financial wellness program, like Expedition Money, with their email address. You don't get that email address, but you do have a channel now where you could communicate to those people, send out messages, things like that, without necessarily having that email address. A lot don't want to give you their personal email address. They don't want work information pushed to their email address. But in Expedition Money's case, we can send that into their inbox. And so that's one of the nice things is that you might actually have better avenues to communicate with your employees than you do through your own corporate systems. The other thing is Expedition Money's upcoming mobile app, so available on Android and iOS, that makes it even easier to communicate with those people. So it's hard for us to just let everyone know that we've got this great benefit or there's a great new perk. It's not necessarily easy to do that within the corporate system, and it can be a lot easier actually through a provider like Expedition Money. So while Expedition Money is not designed to be some sort of mass email system for you, it does give you another opportunity to connect with your employees. So just another benefit of having a program like a financial wellness program that people actually want to use. Hope that helps. I'll see you later.